Welcome to the Ranjeet Kumar Show. Ever pondered over what makes a successful HR business partner? It's not just about managing people or resolving disputes. The role of an HR business partner goes beyond these traditional responsibilities to a more strategic level, aligning business objectives with employees and management. The HR business partner, often abbreviated as HRBP, is a key player in the organization. They are the bridge between the management and the employees, ensuring that the company's strategy and objectives are communicated, understood, and implemented effectively. They are the ones who translate the company's vision into a language that the workforce can understand and act upon. But what does this translation look like? Imagine a company deciding to go green. It's the HRBP's responsibility to understand what this shift means for the company's culture, its employees' roles, and the skills required. They are the ones who will devise strategies for this transition, covering everything from employee education and skill development to performance management and rewards. In essence, the HRBP is the voice of the employees to the management and vice versa. They are the ones who ensure that the employees' needs and aspirations align with the company's goals. They are the ones who foster a culture of mutual respect, understanding, and collaboration. In recent years, the role of the HRBP has evolved significantly. They are no longer just an administrative function or a policy enforcer. They are now strategic partners who play a crucial role in shaping the company's future. They are expected to have a deep understanding of the business, its market, and its challenges. They are expected to have a seat at the table, contributing to business decisions, and helping the company navigate through change. This shift to a more strategic role requires HRBPs to equip themselves with a new set of skills. They need to develop their business acumen, their ability to analyze data, and their understanding of the employee experience. They need to be consultants, influencers, and change agents. Now that we understand the role, let's dive into the responsibilities of a HR business partner. Because, as you'll see, being an HR business partner is not just a job, it's a mission to build a better workplace, a better company, and ultimately a better world. What exactly does a HR business partner do on a day-to-day basis? Imagine a conductor leading an orchestra, ensuring each musician plays in harmony to create a beautiful symphony. That's an HR business partner for you, but their orchestra consists of employees, and their symphony is the business strategy. Firstly, they are responsible for talent management. They ensure that the right people are in the right roles at the right time. This involves everything from recruitment and onboarding to development and retention strategies. They are the architects of a robust talent pipeline that fuels the organization's growth. Secondly, HR business partners are the custodians of workforce planning. They assess current skills, forecast future needs, and then create a strategic plan to bridge any gaps. They identify the key competencies required to achieve business objectives and devise strategies to cultivate those competencies within the workforce. Thirdly, they oversee performance management. They ensure that everyone is rowing in the same direction by setting clear performance expectations, providing regular feedback, and recognizing accomplishments. They also address performance issues promptly and professionally, ensuring that the entire team can function at its peak. But it's not just about these individual tasks. Above all, an HR business partner aligns these responsibilities with the overall business strategy. They integrate people processes with business processes, making sure that the human capital contributes effectively to the organization's goals. They are not just the bridge between management and employees. They are the catalysts that spark innovation, the glue that holds teams together, and the compass that guides the organization towards its vision. So it's a multifaceted role, requiring a blend of skills, from people management to strategic thinking. It's about understanding the big picture, but also about rolling up your sleeves and diving into the details. So we've seen the responsibilities, but how can one become a successful HR business partner? Let's answer that in the next scene. So, what does it take to excel in the role of a HR business partner? To thrive as a HR business partner, you need to master a range of skills that extend beyond traditional HR competencies. Let's delve into some of these critical abilities. First and foremost, consultation skills. In your role as a HR business partner, you're not just an administrator, but a consultant. Your guidance is sought out, your opinions valued. You're the bridge between the management and the employees, helping to align business objectives with employee needs. To do this effectively, you need to be an exceptional listener, a thoughtful advisor, and a trusted confidant. Next, business acumen. A HR business partner is not confined to the realm of human resources. You're an integral part of the business, and to succeed, you need to understand the business just as well as any other leader. This includes understanding the financials, the market dynamics, the product or service, and the strategic goals. The more you understand the business, the better you can align the people strategy with the business strategy. Data literacy is another key skill. In today's data-driven world, HR business partners need to be comfortable with data. You need to understand how to interpret data, how to use it to inform decisions, and how to communicate data-driven insights. Data literacy enables you to make informed, evidence-based decisions that drive business success. Lastly, understanding the employee experience. As a HR business partner, you need to have a deep understanding of what it's like to be an employee in your organization. You need to understand their challenges, their motivations, their needs. This understanding allows you to design and implement HR practices that truly meet the needs of the employees, contributing to a positive, productive work environment. With these skills in mind, let's explore how the role of a HR business partner is changing. Opening. The role of a HR business partner isn't static, so how is it evolving? The Human Resources Business Partner, or HRBP, plays a pivotal role in shaping the workforce of an organization. It's a role that's constantly evolving to meet the dynamic needs of the business and the workforce. In the early days, HRBPs were primarily focused on administrative tasks and compliance. They were the go-to people for payroll, benefits, and making sure the company was following labor laws. But as the business landscape has changed, so too has the role of the HR business partner. Today, they are strategic partners, deeply involved in the business's growth and success. One of the key shifts we're seeing is a move towards strategic decision-making. Instead of just executing policies, HRBPs are now helping to shape them. They're taking on a proactive role, identifying potential issues before they become problems and proposing solutions that align with the business's strategy. In addition, HRBPs are leveraging data to make informed decisions. They're using analytics to understand workforce trends, predict future needs, and measure the impact of HR initiatives. This data-driven approach is helping HRBPs to provide more strategic advice and make a greater impact on the organization. Another important evolution is the focus on employee experience. HRBPs are recognizing that a positive employee experience can drive productivity, engagement, and retention. They're working closely with leaders and managers to create a work environment where employees feel valued, supported, and motivated to do their best work. As the role of the HR business partner evolves, it's crucial for HR professionals to adapt and grow. This means developing new skills such as strategic thinking, data literacy, and change management. It also means embracing a mindset of continuous learning and being open to new ways of working. Closing. So we've seen how the role is evolving, but what does the future hold for HR business partners? Looking ahead, what does the future hold for HR business partners? It's a question that's sparking much conversation in the corporate world. The answer, quite simply, is a future filled with opportunities. The role of HR business partners is set to become increasingly critical as organizations navigate the complexities of the modern business landscape. Their ability to align human resources strategy with business objectives will be instrumental in driving success. As organizations strive to be more agile, innovative, and customer-centric, HR business partners will be the catalysts, fostering a culture that supports these goals. A key development we'll see is an even greater emphasis on strategic decision-making. HR business partners will not just be involved in strategy execution, but also in its formulation. They'll be expected to provide insights that influence key business decisions, from talent management to organizational design. This means they'll need to have a strong understanding of the business, its operations, and its industry, but it's not just about understanding the business. HR business partners will also need to be data savvy. As organizations continue to leverage data for decision-making, these professionals will need to understand how to interpret and use this data to inform HR strategies and initiatives. At the same time, the human element of the role will remain paramount. HR business partners will need to continue championing the employee experience, fostering engagement, and promoting a positive workplace culture. They'll need to balance their strategic responsibilities with their role as advocates for employees. In preparing for this future, HR business partners should focus on honing their business acumen, developing their data literacy skills, and nurturing their ability to influence and drive change. They should strive to be both strategic thinkers and empathetic leaders. So as we've seen, the role of a HR business partner is vital, ever-evolving, and poised for an exciting future. Today's HR business partners are shaping not just the human resources function, but the future of business itself. Thank you for watching The Ranjeet Kumar Show.